Hey guys, welcome back. I'm unboxing my Apple Watch Series 5 today. I ordered an Apple Watch Series 5 40mm and it's the GPS plus cellular, and I got that in the gold because I thought that was the most prettiest and I like to wear gold. It came yesterday. It took all my willpower to not open it. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, that is so nice. Oh wow! The mechanism to open this is so cool. You just pull the little tabs. Wow! Oh! And it just unfolds so nicely. Oh my gosh. You have the paper here and it has these little cute Apple Watches on them. There's two strips. One is for the band and one is for the Apple Watch. Oh wow! Oh my gosh! It's the little Apple Watch. Oh, that is so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and it's perfect for my wrist. This little pouch that the watch face sits in is so soft. So nice. It's got red on the crown. I got this sport band in the stone colored. I think this beige is gonna look so cute on my skin tone. I got these papers that say designed by Apple California. I guess I should open my band box next because that's what it's telling me to do. Okay, I'll open my band box next. I'm so excited. This is another peel method. They give the sport band like this so that you can wear them on two sizes. If your wrists are smaller like mine, you would put this with this piece and then it would be size small. It gives you directions on how to insert the band onto the watch face. I'm gonna be needing to wear the smaller size, so I'll take that. Oh, it feels so nice. It's so nice and it's so soft. It says to attach band, slide in until you hear a click. I'm gonna wear the watch on my hand with the crown closer to my pinky. I'll put in this piece first. Oh, I heard the click! Ooh, did you hear the click? The second piece is a little bit harder to get on. Oh, there we go. I got it on. It fits so nice. So good. Does this need to be charged? Yeah, I think it does. So here I have the charger. The charger for the stainless steel Apple Watches have stainless steel on the bottom and the side. So I'll just quickly charge this. You just put the white side to the back of the Apple Watch and it just magnetizes and attaches. And then the Apple Watch shows a little green lightning. Hey guys, we're back. Apple Watch has charged. It's ready to pair with my phone, and oh my gosh, the pairing is so easy. It literally just popped up on my phone. So now this popped up. Oh, is that me? That's Inception. A little cool diagram just popped up on my Apple Watch. Oh, that's so cool. And I have to put the camera on there to pair it. Your Apple Watch is paired. My Apple Watch is paired. Okay, so it's asking me now which wrist I want to wear the Apple Watch on. I'm gonna wear it on my left hand. So just have to agree to their terms and conditions. I agree. Workout route tracking. Oh yes! I have been running outside in the neighborhood. Have you checked out my day in a life video? You can see me running there. And this is wonderful. This is exactly what I need to track my route. Have you seen those pictures where people run routes in the shape of animals? So cute. Maybe I'll do that. Enable route tracking. Absolutely. Apple Watch passcode. When you set a passcode, Apple Watch locks when you take it off. Activity. If you like, you can provide a little bit of information about yourself. Oh, you can even set a daily move goal. I'll set it for moderately active. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Apple Pay. This is what I'm so excited for. I use Apple Pay on my phone and it's literally the best thing ever. I don't carry a wallet. It's so nice and easy. It's absolutely fabulous. Now I'll be using it on my Apple Watch and I'll just hold my wrist out to the reader. Hey. Ooh, I need to get my wallet. I just want my security code. Alright, so Apple Pay is set up. Oh, false detections, keeping me safe. Oh my gosh, the crown turns so nicely. Okay, so now my phone and Apple Watch are synced. Look! Oh, it's already reading me my text messages. I really like this watch face with the blue color. They have lavender. That is also one of my favorite colors. Oh my gosh, look at the colors they have. I went with lilac. So I'm gonna charge my Apple Watch because it's at 15% battery. That was really expensive. I actually had points from the RBC Rewards Visa card. I used 24,000 points. This is the pink sand and this is stone, so you can see the difference in the color. I'm glad I went with beige. I think it's really neutral and fun. I've put everything back, and yes, I'm gonna rewrap this exactly the way it came. Yay! Well guys, I'm hungry now and now I'm gonna go eat some food and I'm gonna play with my Apple Watch after I charge it a little bit more. Thank you guys for watching. I would really love it so much if you subscribe. That is fun. I'm fun. We can all be fun together, so subscribe. Let me know what you thought of my unboxing and comment down below red hearts if you've stayed all the way to the end, because I want to know who stayed all the way to the end. But yeah. No, comment down a frog below if you stayed all the way to the end and give us a thumbs up because we love Apple Watches. Okay. Bye.